Are you looking for the best loud car horn in 2023 Top 7 Loud Car Horn Review? Buying Guide. In this video, we will look at some of the best loud car horn in 2023 Top 7 Loud Car Horn Review. Buying Guide on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Hella 7,424,801 Twin Trumpet Horn Kit with Bracket. If you are looking for that perfect replacement for your inbuilt car horn, then this Hella car horn is what you need. The horns have galvanized metal bodies along with some plastic parts. This product guarantees the best functionality and will produce a fully harmonious sound with wide sound emissions. These trumpet horns are ECR 28 approved and hold an audio frequency of up to 500 Hz. The sport design gives them a unique outlook. One of the best things about these car horns is that they can be installed both horizontally and vertically. This universal kit comes with one high-tone 500 Hz horn, one low-tone 400 Hz horn, one relay, 2 mounting brackets, and mounting instructions. Number 2. Wolo 336 Jukebox Electronic Musical Horn. If you are looking for a funny car horn replacement, and that too at a reasonable price, then the Wolo Jukebox Electronic Musical Horn is what you should get. The package comes with the horn and a piano-like keyboard that features one-touch play for 34 pre-programmed songs. There is also a music book that can help you program additional songs, and even select from numerous songs in the blink of an eye. The control panel that looks like a piano keyboard features a volume control that helps you adjust the sound level. It is good for all those people who want to make their regular ride fun. This works wonders with kids, and you can use them for your college or family trips to keep yourself hyped throughout the ride. Number 3. FIAMM 72112 Freeway Blaster Horn. The loudest car horn without a compressor that you can find on this list is this FIAMM Freeway Blaster. As the name indicates, the car horn is indeed loud. It produces about 130 decibels, which is frankly speaking way too much. In some states, this sound might be out of the law's limit. The package includes the universal mounting bracket, jumper wire, nut, and female connectors. This horn can be installed on any vehicle. All it needs is 12 volts of power supply. The steel housing and ABS plastic snail curve body help in protecting the horn from water and corrosion. Furthermore, with the extremely compact size, you will find it easy to fit in your ride. Number 4. ZoneTech 12V Single Trumpet Air Horn. If you're seeking a powerful and super loud car horn, then the air horn may be the most perfect choice on this list. This loud car horn isn't just a great value for money, but it offers a whooping 140 dB of noise, perfect for trains, lorries, trucks, and boats. The horn means real business. Keep in mind that the noise from the horn can't just be described as a loud and bellowing sound, which is pretty simpler to install. The entire hardware has been included in the price, adding more value to the ZoneTech car horn. This horn is pretty versatile and can be easily mounted into any car with about 12 of DC power. The horn has been manufactured from high-quality materials and is resistant to weather. Number 5. GAMPRO 12V 150 dB Air Horn. Although we fully admit this isn't the most affordable car horn on this list, it definitely holds up with regards to top quality. This incredible loud truck horn emits about 150 decibels and boasts instant activation, which means there's no delay between the moment you press the horn as well as the time the horn sounds. It's definitely one of the best car accessories you should get for your ride. This makes it one of the safest and loudest horns on this list. The trumpets on this horn feature a very attractive design with 2 heavy-duty compressors and black-plated trumpets. The manufacturer claims there is no extra maintenance needed, and this is something you'll also love. This flexible product can easily fit any SUV, truck, or car, with a compact 12 volts electrical system. Number 6. HS Heavy Duty Mega Blast Horn. The HS Heavy Duty Mega Blast Horn is one of the loudest car horn we have ever tested that delivers an incredibly loud sound. These are compressor car horns that do not require an air tank, but yet produce incredibly loud sounds with 2 built-in compressors. They are great for cars and vehicles that require a louder car horn to alert other cars on the road or pedestrians. It produces such a powerful volume blast that is hard to miss. These loud horns also come with hardware and relay installation kits included, and installing them in your car or truck is a breeze. The car horns also feature dual metal chrome plating with heavy-duty compressors. In terms of loudness, we would place these horns somewhere in between a truck and a train. The horns are very big and have great sound output. The horn trumpets are loud and clean sounding, and can really alert other vehicles coming into your lane while on the highway. These car horns are made in Italy with quality components, and no oil maintenance is required. The verdict: if you are a frequent driver and need really loud car horns for your car or truck vehicle, we highly recommend the HS Heavy Duty Mega Blast Horn. Not only do these trumpet horns sound very loud, it also comes with all the hardware and relay included for easy installation. They are easily mountable inside your car and connect to your car horn output from your steering wheel. They certainly sound much louder than your original car-loaded horn, and can alert other vehicles or pedestrians while driving on the highway. Number 7. Hella Supertone 12V Twin Horns. The Hella Supertone 12 twin horns are some of the loudest car horns with a sound pressure level of 118 dB. These are loud and powerful supertone horns which are guaranteed to grab the attention you need in every situation while driving on the road. The horns are very well designed with a black-coated metal body with a red protective grille for a distinctive and stylish look. The horns also feature a performance-oriented driver for a high level of safety combined with a great design and high-quality finish. Furthermore, the Supertone horns come with an M8 screw horn bracket and flat connections, 6.3mm, open blade type for easy installation in your car. When we first tested the Hella Supertone car horns, we were very impressed by how loud these car horns can go. They have a sound pressure level of 118 dB and a 12V voltage, with a frequency range of 500 Hz to 300 Hz, high tone to low tone range. These car horns are easy to install, and comes with one high-tone Supertone horn, one low-tone Supertone horn, one 12V relay, 2 mounting brackets and mounting instructions. This installation kit allows flexible mounting options and easy installation. We also like the fact that the manufacturers provided a Teflon pill to protect the car horn against humidity with a durable housing that protects against corrosion. The verdict: the Hella Supertone 12V twin horns are some of the loudest car horns we have tested that are ideal for passenger cars, trucks, and motorbikes. They are incredibly loud and can reach a maximum volume of 118 dB at tune. We also liked the flexible mounting options, and both vertical and horizontal installations are possible. These horns sound extremely loud, and sounds like multiple car horns being played simultaneously. These are car horns that will definitely alert other drivers on the road or pedestrians.